Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill. Now I'm showing you a wall that's badly damaged, and it's inside a built-in cabinet. Now normally you would skim coat it and you would sand it, and it would be very, very time consuming. Well, it's not necessary in this instance. We're going to do something called laminating with drywall, and I'm going to show you the process here. Okay, what you're looking at is drywall. That's 1/2-inch drywall. I'm sure you've seen that before. It's an industry standard. Next to it, though, is a very thin piece of drywall. It's only a 1/4 inch in thickness. And we're going to use this 1/4 inch to laminate over an existing wall. Now here's the top part of the cabinet that I've already laminated. And I'm going to repeat the process here on the bottom section. Now I've already cut the 1/4 inch drywall to fit the bottom of the cabinet. I'm just now cutting out the area for the receptacle. But I got to pull the receptacle away from the wall just a little bit so that that drywall fits right behind there. Now it's important to do a dry fit first, because once you put on that construction adhesive, is going to grab the wall, you're not going to be able to reposition it. So just remember, do a dry fit first. One of the easy things about laminating is you don't have to use screws and you don't have to use nails. You just have to use a really good construction adhesive like I'm using right here. Make certain that you're generous on the back of the drywall. This is a perfect amount. Okay, I'm slowly raising the drywall into position, but I got to be careful because, I've got that outlet there, and I've got to take the outlet and I got to reposition it outside the drywall. Okay, there we go. Now push that drywall into place. Now when laminating drywall, taping and joint compound, it's unnecessary, but you do have to caulk around the perimeter of the drywall, and that's what I'm doing right here. Just got to clean up this outlet marking ink and attach the new outlet cover plate. So that's it. We're all done. There are our newly laminated walls in those cabinets. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.